Hi, Lisa from Active Domestics here, coming to you from one of my bathrooms. So, have you noticed a build-up in your bathroom of like marks on the glass shower screen that you're not able to remove? You know, you may be using your normal multi-purpose spray or bathroom cleaner, and then after a period of time it doesn't seem to remove the the marks that appear on glass. So one of the things that you can use is this product here. This is the Glitz brand, which I'm pretty sure I got from Bunnings. It's calcium, scale and rust remover. So it basically does something to remove the acid buildup from the water and things like that on the shower screen, and has them coming up looking really good. You can see it there, it's a bit glary, but yeah, they're looking much better since using this product. And yeah, so give it a go. Just don't use it as your regular cleaner, just use it as a treatment, and then you'll find it's a lot more effective over a longer period of time. And then when you are cleaning your shower, clean the shower screen with your normal multi-purpose spray on ongoing cleans. Then give it a rinse, let it dry, and then use glass cleaner on both sides to really keep it in tip-top condition. So you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.